In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to Apple Watch Series 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use WhatsApp on your Apple Watch Series 3. First, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications from WhatsApp, and then how you can potentially reply to all messages, listen to audios, send audios, and so on. So first, if you want to enable notifications, you need to start by going over to the Watch application on your smartphone. So open the Watch app, and inside, go over to the Notifications category. So access Notifications. Inside of Notifications, go all the way down, and you should be able to enable notifications for WhatsApp. So this process is extremely simple. As soon as you enable notifications for WhatsApp, every time that you receive a new message, you will get the standard notification on your smartphone. However, it will also automatically be transported over to your Apple Watch, regardless of the model. So you will be able to see it there, dismiss it, reply, whatever you want to do. Now, if you want to access all of the features of WhatsApp, this is going to be a little bit more difficult. As it stands today, WhatsApp still has not been officially ported over to the Series 3. So even though you can see notifications, you will not be able to use the app. So you need to download an external application. This application is not made by the official developers, so essentially the Facebook company. It is made by another company, and you will be able to use this as if it was WhatsApp. You can still see all of the options, all of the replies, play audio, and so on. But like I said, because it is not officially developed by WhatsApp and Facebook, I cannot fully recommend it in this video, so you do this at your own discretion. But connecting it is extremely simple. You download Watch Chat 2 from the App Store, and then you scan a QR code on your device to connect them both together. And that application will act as WhatsApp, but on your watch instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect WhatsApp to Apple Watch Series 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.